It's Sunday, the 5th of February, so let's have a look at the Australian dollar, US dollar for the trading week ahead. Okay, a quick recap from last week. After we've seen the market breaking up, we had this pullback. What we went over in last week's analysis video, that was potentially what we're seeing is a break of resistance with the market returning, and we could look for bullish price action. Now that's exactly what we have seen come into the market. After we had this very strong breakdown, we were looking at the previous swing for clues as the market came back up into it, and we went over how if we break above these levels, which is exactly what we did, what we wanted to do was pause and wait for further evidence as to what the market was likely going to do next. We had the strong downward move and downtrending move. As soon as we break above the previous swing high, that's when we pause and we wait for further evidence. So we've seen this strong move up now. Going into next week, if we see pullbacks into these levels down here, I'm more than happy to look for bullish price action, including this level down here, which is where we've seen the bounce come in as the market made the retrace. So I'm more than happy to watch both of these levels. The market is now giving us a bullish bias. However, as we went over last week also, we're coming up into key levels of resistance. Last time the market was up here in August, we can see it tried multiple times to break higher above these price levels, and it failed, and that's where we got the strong downward move. So what is that telling us? Well, it's telling us that very likely scenario as the market comes back up here is that sellers will step into the market once again. Because of that, if we see the market pressing up, I'm more than happy to look for those sell positions. You can actually see this level right here is where the market got up to at the tail end of last week. And we've already seen little bits of resistance coming into the market. So I'm going to be watching both the levels up above. And if we do start to see the market coming down, I'm more than happy to also watch these levels down here for potential bullish positions. We're in between very good levels of resistance and very good levels of support. When we are like this, I trade the market as though it is in a range on the lower time frames. The reason for that is it's very likely we will see both buyers and sellers stepping into the market. When you are day trading especially, this is the type of price action that I prefer, because you can look for both the buys and the sells as soon as the market gets to your key levels. Okay, so that's what I am looking for next week, guys. As always, I hope that was helpful. I hope you all have a great trading week next week. I'm James Orr, and thank you.